Hello everyone, Jai Jagannath. This is Priya from Odisha, currently living in Mumbai with my husband. Since both of us work, we usually get free time only on weekends and we love using the time to explore new places in Mumbai. This weekend, we visited a beautiful seaside resort located in Gorai Mirabai. The place has so many amenities, a swimming pool, indoor games, a DJ night and a beach view to enjoy with delicious food. After getting ready, we went to the DJ night, had a great time, enjoyed the night view and left the next morning feeling refreshed. Before leaving, we also took a short walk on the beach early in the morning. The cool breeze and soft sound of the waves made the whole moment feel so calming. It was the perfect way to end our little getaway and we returned home with the fresh energy and a happy mind, hoping to plan our next weekend trip soon. If you want the price details or the exact location, feel free to follow or comment. And please do subscribe and follow to my Instagram and YouTube channel. We hope the next weekend plan trip soon. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.